that's just a cover there. Then you've got the belt that goes here and it goes around these two outside pulleys.
Okay, gotcha.
Whatever you call it. And then, I don't know the technical term for this thing, but you get the idea.
The hold down, that's what they call it.
And then,
Oh wow, okay. Oh, we missed something. Is that a washer?
yeah. And actually, when I put together this thing was together when I put it in. This thing was not separated. This was in there. Okay, so then I want to pick this whole thing up and I'm going to let the feet stay down.
Oh, okay. Okay, you got sig the air pump. Here, hold on.